Hello guys, I'm Mester.mechanic and I'm here with another video on my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to design this 3D model in SolidWorks, and here we have the dimensions. This is the top view of the model, and here we have the section view, and we will get help from these dimensions to design this 3D model. Before getting started, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and put your comments. Your subscription, your comments give me more energy to upload more videos on my YouTube channel. So let's get started as soon as possible. Here we have the dimensions. First you have to close the model. For closing the model, just come here and click on close. Now I have to make a new part. For making a new part, just come to new part. Okay, now we have a new part. Firstly, I have to draw the sketch of the top view, then we will extrude the sketch. So for drawing a sketch, we need a plane, and in SolidWorks we have three standards plane: front plane, top plane, and right plane. At first it doesn't matter which plane you choose, but we should start drawing a sketch with the front plane. So click on the front plane and click on a sketch. Now we have open a sketch. At first you have to draw a circle, 2-point circle. So here choose circle, 2-point circle, and draw a circle at the origin point. And choose the dimension, a smart dimension. The dimension of this circle is 80 millimeter. And here choose center line, because we will mirror these lines to this side of the center line. So connect this point to this point by a center line, and right click and select to exit the tool. Here choose arc, 3-point arc, and draw an arc here. So the center of the arc must be this side of the sketch, and here we have another arc. So here I draw another arc, and here we have another one. So here I draw another arc here, and here choose line, and we have to draw a vertical line. And here again choose a 3-point arc and draw an arc here, and right click and select. Now hold the control button and choose the arc here and the circle here, and give it concentric relation. Let me move the sketch a little bit. Yes. Hold the control button and choose this arc and this one, and give it tangent relation. All of these arcs have the tangent relation, so we do the same thing here, tangent relation. And yes, hold the control button and choose this point and this point, and give it a horizontal relation. And now choose the smart dimension. The dimension of this arc is I think the dimension of this arc is, yes, 50 millimeter, the radius of the arc. And hold the control button and choose this point and this point, and give it horizontal relation. Choose the smart dimension. The dimension of this arc is 20 millimeter, and the dimension of this arc is, I think, the dimension of this arc is, yes, 40 millimeter, and the dimension of this one is 30 millimeter, the radius of the arc. Now hold the control button and choose this arc and this one, and give it concentric relation. Yes. And hold the control button and choose this point and this point, and they have to be horizontal. Here choose the smart dimension. The dimension from the origin point to the center of this arc must be 50 millimeter. Sorry, 50 millimeter, not 40, 50. Yes. And the dimension from the origin point to this line is 86.6 millimeter. The sketch is full defined, but you have to keep drawing the lines. So here I choose line and I draw a horizontal line, a line here, and here we have an arc, so I draw an arc, and here we have another arc, so I draw another arc here, and here we have another arc, so we draw an arc and another arc here, and right click select to exit the tool. You have to make all of these arcs tangent to each other, so we can simply hold the control button and choose these two arcs and give it tangent relation. So do the same thing here. Tangent relation. The arcs must be tangent to each other. And hold the control button and choose this arc and this one and give it equal relation because they have the same radius. And do the same thing here. Choose this arc and this arc and give it equal relation. And this one must be equal to this one. And the last one is, I think, this arc has the same radius with this arc. So yeah, they have the same dimension. Hold the control button and choose this arc and the circle here and give it concentric relation because these two arcs have the same, because these two entities have the same center. The center of these two entities must be merged. And hold the control button and choose this arc and this one and give it tangent relation. And choose a smart dimension. The angle of this line to this line is 80 millimeter. And hold the control button and choose this line and this line and give it equal relation. You can see the sketch is becoming fully defined, but it is not still fully defined because the sketch is moving. Here choose line and draw a vertical line. And here we have arc. So here choose 3-point arc and draw arc here. And right click and select. Here hold the control button and choose this arc and this one and give it concentric relation. And this line has the same dimension with this line, so choose these lines and give it equal relation. And the center of this line, sorry, the center of this arc and the point here and the origin point must be horizontal. So the sketch is not still fully defined because it is still the sketch is still moving. Yes. Here choose a smart dimension. The dimension from this line to the origin point is 100 millimeter. And this arc has the same radius with this one. They have equal dimension. So let me see. Here I think something is wrong. So hold the Ctrl Z to see what's the problem here. So hold the control button and choose this point and this point and give it horizontal relation. And let me see what's the problem here. So here is 100 millimeter. Yes. Choose this arc and this one and give it equal dimensions. So what's the problem? So hold the Ctrl Z. Let me see what's the problem. It is not true. Here choose a smart dimension. The dimension of this arc is, choose this arc and this one, and these two arcs have the same dimension. Yes. Now the sketch is fully defined. Now all we have to do is just mirror these entities to this side of the center line. So here choose mirror entities and choose all of these entities except this circle. And choose all of these lines and arcs, and in mirror about choose the center line and OK. So be careful, the sketch must be fully defined and your sketch doesn't have to move, so everything is perfect. If you consider relations or the dimensions, you can simply come to hide and show items, and you can turn on or turn off the sketch view relations or the dimensions. So here comes the feature. If you don't have the feature tab, you can right click and you can turn on or turn off the feature tab. Here come to extrude boss and base and see in selected contour, choose this region. We have to extrude the sketch about 10 millimeter. Don't turn on these two options. Here must be blind sketch plane. Yes, okay. Here we have the model. In view orientation, we can change many different views. For example, I think this view is better. And now what you have to do is just apply a color. So here choose this extrusion and in edit appearance. Here we can change many different colors. We can apply many different colors. For example, red, blue, green, yellow, and many billions of colors. So for example, this color I think is better, and that's it. I will leave the link of this dimension in the caption. Please practice at home and do it yourself. And I have uploaded over 60 videos on my YouTube channel about designing 3D models and drawing a sketch. Please watch those videos, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and put your comments. Your subscription, your comments give me more to upload more videos on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.